Okay, YouTubers, just leaving the boat ramp right over there on the first fishing trip in the CraigCat. It is Friday, I don't know, maybe like the 14th or something, or 15th, I don't know. Anyway, gorgeous day, beautiful weather, not going to be a lot of wind. I don't know if I'm going to catch many fish today because this is my first time that I'm going to some of these spots, but we'll see what happens, and if I catch anything, I'll let you know. Talk to you later. Got a bite. Catfish. Dadgummit. All the way out here to get a catfish. Well, I got a small one on here out at the bird rack. Probably gonna be another catfish. Oh, worse than that. Holy cow. You gotta hate that. Alright. The dreaded puffer. What did I do with my hook out? We're gonna need that. Oh, there you are. Get off my hook. Another fish right here. It's a nice fish. Oh, baby. Bet it's a snook the way it's fighting. Come on, Snooky Snook. Show me your snooky self. It is a snook. And I got a permit. But I got no cooler. He's too little anyway. Nice though. Nice snooky snook. Alright. Look at you, Mr. Snook. Let's just see. There's not a stick. I know I got a stick. There's my stick. He's only a little over 20. Fun. Thank you, Snook. That was fun. Snooking it up. Getting another bite. Red. Hey, baby Red. What you up to, baby Red? Look at that baby Red in the sun. All bronze. Beauty. There you go. Oh, man. He's stuck in some crap here for sure. Alright, got him out of the rocks, I think. Oh, grouper! Ha! Look at that. Got me a grouper! Look at the grouper. Too small. I'd be tempted to take you home if you were big enough. We've got another nice bite. I think stuck in the rocks there. Huh. Stuck in the rocks. He took me into the rocks. Well, don't have any fish anymore. Yeah, broke me off. Rats. That's a good fish. Had a really nice fish on just about 5 minutes ago. Took me down the rocks, cut me off. Big fish. Oh, flounder. Too bad I'm not keeping fish today. The flounder action. I'm catching just about one of everything. Yeah, still about one of everything so far. Oh, ladyfish, I think. Jumping out there. Big one. Yes, sir. Like I say, just catching one everything today. That's all. Get out of that other line. Oh, a big fat old ladyfish. Holy mackerel. See ya.